Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple of Halloween themed mystery unboxings for you. I have two different ones. One is from a company that I've already had on this channel, and the other one is something new to me. So I hope you guys are prepared for that. But I would like to welcome anyone new to my channel. I do tons of different videos such as thrift hauls, witchy hauls, a candle review series. I also talk about things that are on my mind and a bunch of other random content. If any of that sounds interesting to you at all, please consider subscribing down below. If you are already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. So again, like I just said in the intro, I have two mystery bags that are Halloween themed for the month of October. I'm very excited about both of them. I will start with the one that has been on this channel before, and it's from Ethereal Opus Design. They have a Halloween themed crystal mystery bag, and this one I paid $9.90 for it and $5 shipping and handling. Now the last bag that I got from them back in, I believe it was August, it was just a random themed one and I only paid $5 something for it, and I believe we got 6 different stones. So since this one's $9.90, I'm assuming there's going to be quite a bit more, although I will say that the size of the bag is quite small. So I'm hoping it's going to be some really awesome pieces. Otherwise, I really hope that the price isn't just because of the packaging, to be honest with you. But it is in a cute little white bag that just says trick or treat, and they've included a card. I will leave all their information down below if you guys want to check it out. But let's get into this one and see what we've got. Yeah, this is from Ethereal Opus. Alright, so let's start with the first piece. We have black tourmaline from Pakistan. It's quite a small piece. That's alright. There it is there. Very nice piece. I will insert a photo of that as always. If you want to check out photos of stuff as well, you can always check my Instagram, which is linked down below always. The next item we have is moonstone from Malawi, and it is quite a few tumbled chips. I'll just take a couple out. Yeah, there's quite a few in here. Just small little pieces to do stuff. These would be good in mojo bags or things like that, or jewelry even. Then next up we have a nice big piece of black kyanite. Black kyanite, also known as the witch's broom, is a very beautiful piece. It is quite fragile, it'll flake very easily, but it is a very pretty piece. I actually have a ton of black kyanite, and I wanted to list it on my Etsy to see if anybody wanted some of it, but it does have some mineral rust on it, which is normal. I mean, that can happen with kyanite, so if you guys do want any at all, check out my Etsy shop, which is linked below. I'm not asking too much for them, but this is a very beautiful piece. Then we have some fluorite from South Africa. Two beautifully cut pieces in here. These are very crumbled though. A bunch of little pieces just fell off of it, so it must have had some rough travels. Then we have some pigeon's blood agate. Very beautiful pieces as well. Then ooh, we have some black dot diamond quartz from Pakistan. These are very beautiful, very tiny. You're definitely not going to be able to see these on camera, so I will insert a photo of these. These are so gorgeous. I love these. They're very beautiful. I'm definitely in love with these. Then we have one item left, and it is an optical calcite, which kind of reminds me of Ulexite. I wonder if it's similar. The way that one works is you hold it over some text, and they almost call it, I believe it's got a second name of like a TV stone where you can see through it. Let's see if this does the same thing. Oh, it's almost making it like 3D. Interesting. Also, it's a very nice working piece. That was the last for this mystery bag. I gotta say, my favorite item out of this is definitely the black dot diamond quartz. Very pretty, and I like the selection they give you, and technically they only give you one more thing than these smaller bags. However, some of these things I feel are a bit more unique than the other stuff that I've gotten from here before, so I would say it's worth the $9.90. Alright, so now we will move on to the other Halloween themed bag. This is from the Spooky Doodle Club, and it was $20 with $5.20 shipping. And it says items may include stationery, earrings, stickers, enamel pins, jewelry, decor, and more. It says there is approximately 10 items in each bag. Alright, so I'm very excited about this one. The pictures they have on the Etsy is very, very cool. So I'm excited about this one. Oh, there's a little bit of Halloween trick-or-treat candy in here as well. Got a sucker, a sour punch straw, an airheads, and an eyeball gum. Very cute. I will link this shop's information below as well. We have a disposable face mask, and it's got like a galaxy print on it. Very pretty. Oh, these are cute. And then we have some enamel ghost earrings. Very, very cute. Then we have some metal spider earrings, also very cute. Then we have a keychain with a little skull on it, and it says Future Ghost. That is adorable, and I love that. However, I deeply despise the color pink, and I would have preferred this to be any other color under the sun. I hate pink, but I know someone that loves pink that will absolutely love this, and I will probably give that to them. And then there is this little packet, so let me get this open. Oh, I already see a couple things I absolutely love. There is a Spooky Doodle Club sticker. There is this cute little mushroom bookmark. Oh, this magnet. I love this magnet. It just says ghoul juice, and it's got a couple little ghosts floating around in a vial. I love that so much. And we have some stickers that say poison, spider venom, tongue of snake. Actually there's a bit of a typo. It says tongue of a snake. I'm sure they meant snake. And then this is at your own risk and toxic tonic. So minus the spelling error. Very, very cute. Then we have the Spooky Doodle Club. Welcome to the, and then cult is scratched out and it says club. Thank you for supporting my small business. I hope you love your order. Stay spooky, Elena. And it's a cute little postcard with little spooky doodles all over it. And then we have life is scary and it's okay to scream about it, and it's a little possum on there, a little postcard type print. And then there's a beautiful little hourglass with what looks like bones on the side. Very cute. That was everything that was in this one. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus the candy. So yeah, we got the 10 items that they said. I really enjoyed that one. I think the magnet is probably my favorite. It's very, very cute. So I will leave all the information for that shop as well down below. Check out both of them. I definitely really, really like this one. I'm so sad this keychain is pink, but like I said, I know someone that will love it. I just wish it was any other color. But I'm definitely a fan of this shop, and I believe the person that does this shop, Elena, I think she makes all these items by hand, so I know she does the art as well. I can't get over this magnet. It is so, so, so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below about both of these. Let me know what your favorite items are, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!